So if you might have heard the other day when I started up the car, there was a hissing sound that I was hearing which sounded like the engine is sucking in air through around this place. So when I investigated the fault, I found out this pipe is broken like this. So this pipe was causing a vacuum within the engine, so the engine was sucking air through this pipe. So this is something that I found out, so I couldn't start the car and I had to replace this pipe before because a lot of air in the engine is not good. So this is something that was causing the hissing sound. I'm not sure if you really picked up from the last video, but if you didn't pick it up, here's the last video. So this is what caused the air leak. Now it's replaced. So these pipes are very brittle, very brittle. So here we are right now. So I'm not sure if you can hear right now, but the chain is no longer rattling like it used to. I'm just gonna put a before and after video, then you can hear for yourself. This is the after video. So I guess this is a job well done. So thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one. We out.
I'm taking 6 shots, yeah, straight to the face. And I wanna get lost, I'm sick of this place. Don't know how to stop when I'm feeling this way. So I'm taking 6 shots till I'm feeling okay.